want to talk in this one or no?
I don't do talk.
You don't do talk. Oh, your hands do the talking. Welcome everybody. Lake County Euros here with Michael. We are working on this beautiful 2019, 2017. Pause, break, cut. As I was saying, today we're working on this beautiful 2019 Volkswagen GTI. It is a great beginning to a new series, so please stick around as we dive into this car. This customer is going from a stock, it's a stage 1 right now with an intake, going from a very unmodified GTI to an extremely modified GTI. We are going to be increasing the size of the turbo. We're going to be increasing the size of the intercooler. We're going to be increasing the coolant of this car. We're going to be sending the head out to our buddies at the machine shop. They're going to be doing their number on it. We're going to be ripping the block apart. We're going all the way down to the rods. We are changing rods, pistons, bearings, valves, springs, retainers. We're doing a whole lot to this thing. So stick around and enjoy as Michael rips this motor apart, and you can kind of see how it's done, how we take the suspension out, we drop the engines out of the bottom. Some people take the noses off. We like being a little more complicated, so sit back and enjoy. Shout out to Worth for providing the pretty awesome pigment. shout out to all the vendors of the parts that we're including in this build. Here's Ricky with all the parts that's going on this thing. That is diligent customer that has been ordering parts for a little over a year now. So every time he had a little bit extra money, he bought a part, he bought a part, he bought a part. And now the day has come that we are putting everything into his machine, and I can't wait to see what this thing will do.